The Thor VM3 is the industry's most capable full-size vehicle-mounted mobile computer. With the Thor VM3, you gain power to take advantage of the latest security and productivity-enhancing features today, and the compatibility you need to upgrade as your business needs grow in the future. Built with memory expandable up to 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB solid-state disk, the Thor VM3 can run powerful programs and applications to maximize efficiencies in activities such as case picking, truck loading, put away, and replenishment. Plus, the Thor VM3 supports multiple Microsoft Windows-based operating systems, so integration and application development are simple. The Thor VM3, Honeywell's most capable full-size vehicle mount computer, smartly designed to deliver unmatched operational efficiencies in the toughest supply chain environments.